Microsoft Teams can be a powerful tool for project management, combining communication, collaboration, and task management features. Here's how to use it effectively. Create a team. Go to Teams and create a new team dedicated to your project. Name it appropriately and add relevant members. Set up channels. Create channels for different aspects of the project, such as general, design, development, testing, and documentation. Channels help organize conversations and files related to specific topics. Integrate Microsoft Planner. Add Planner to a channel by clicking the plus button and selecting Planner. This will allow you to create tasks, assign them to team members, set deadlines, and track progress within teams. Use Planner to break down the project into tasks and subtasks, creating a visual task board. Use chat and meetings. Utilize the chat feature for quick discussions and clarifications. Use mentions to get the attention of specific team members. Schedule regular meetings using the Calendar tab to discuss project progress, resolve issues, and plan next steps. Record meetings and share notes for future reference. Share and collaborate on files. Upload and share project files within relevant channels. Collaborate in real time using integrated Office 365 apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Use the Files tab to organize and access shared documents easily. Track progress and communicate. Use the Activity feed to stay updated on team activities, task updates, and important messages. Utilize the Post tab in each channel for more detailed discussions and announcements. Leverage integrations. Integrate other project management tools and third-party apps to extend functionality. This can be done via the Apps tab.